European Union has identified 7 countries it considers safe countries of origin as part of the proposal to speed up the asylum application, especially for those countries involved. Also, the citizens from the Kosovo, Bangladesh, Colombia, Egypt, India, Morocco and Tunisia would have their claims ready and fast-tracked within 3 months on the assumption that they were likely to fail. Also, the Marcus Lamarant of the European Commission said that it would be a dynamic list that could be expanded or reviewed with the countries suspending or removing and the so longer that has not been considered very safe. Even since the European Union countries saw an influx of the irregular migrants in the 2015 to 16, they have sought to reform the asylum rules. A pact on the migration and asylum was agreed last year, but the European Union says that it does not come into force until June 2026. It wants to push through the 2 key rules on the speeding up the process. Also, European leader comes on the Commission last year to come up with the plans to accelerate the migrant returns, as the European Union figure suggested that 20% of people ordered to leave and the sent back to the countries of their origin. Under the plan, the European Union countries would be able to fast-track people coming either from the safe countries or countries from with a maximum of 1 of 5 applicants as given the protection. Also, European countries that are candidates to the joining of the European Union will be automatically considered safe, although exceptions are possible, for the example such as the country of Ukraine. Among the countries pushing for reform lately, that is Italy, which was seen as a big influx of 2015. Also other countries including Germany also that have imposed the border control in a bid to limit the irregular migration. We'll have to see how the issues get resolved.